Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not liked and subscribed the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. Today in this video I am going to explain interesting thing. So I'm sure you have ever, or maybe you have had to troubleshoot an issue with Microsoft 365 applications on iOS or Android devices for a colleagues, like, or for your end users or for your executives like CEO or CTO. It can be a time consuming and very difficult process, right? To capture the troubleshooting or to capture the diagnostic logs for Outlook, OneDrive or team applications. So if those executives or CEO or CTO are facing any issue with the Outlook or OneDrive or team applications or any Microsoft 365 applications, especially when the user has manually collect the application diagnostic logs, if application is crashing, if application is processing slow, something like that, right? But what if there was an easier way? You may be wondering, right? So Microsoft has brought a solutions which is very good, how we can capture diagnostic logs for M365, Microsoft 365 applications. So with these features, being as an admin, we can gather Intune app productions and Microsoft 365 diagnostic logs from iOS and Android applications directly from Microsoft Intune Admin Center. So this means that instead of asking the users, right, to collect the diagnostic logs, go to the settings, help and capture the diagnostic logs manually. Sometimes it's very awkward to ask, or sometimes it's very tough to ask to the executives, right? So now we have the options, being as admin, which Microsoft has enabled us. We can request diagnostic through the troubleshooting pane. When the user open their applications, they will be prompted to upload the diagnostic logs, which can be accessed through the Microsoft support team for troubleshooting, or right. And this feature is being implemented by applications team, by Microsoft application team, and it is now available for Outlook Mobile, OneDrive and Team by end of this week, and it will be more rolling out for other apps as well, right? So how you can do this? This is Microsoft Intune. First things, you should be admin and you have to go to the tenant administration, click on device diagnostic, and this one you have to enable it. So for me, you say it's already enabled, you have to enable it, this one. So what is this one on? What is this? Diagnostic data is available only for device managed by the Intune app production policy. The data could include user identifiable information such as users or device name. Of course, the data is stored in the Microsoft support system and isn't subject to Intune data management policy or productions. Some applications might collect and store data using system other than the Intune. If you want to learn more, you can always click on I, and these diagnostics are available only for 28 days and then it will get removed. They are not available when diagnostic are disabled. If it's disabled, it will not available. So how you can capture? You have enabled. The first thing is, first you have to enable here device diagnostic options here. And now how you can use that? You have to go to the devices here, right? And I'm sure you have the devices, so you can go to the troubleshoot and support, and here you can search your username. For me, it's only, I don't have any devices, but if you have any devices, you will see the app protections policy and you still check in. Once you click on check-in, and if you have the policy here, you can collect diagnostic from here. How you can see that there is a three dot, right? So if you see here diagnostics, right, and you will see the diagnostic. Once you request for the diagnostic there in the summary page here, then it will show the device name initiated by platform incident and diagnostic. You will see here, right? So why it is important, right? You may be wondering, for example, like your CEO is experiencing a problem with the Outlook mobile or team. So with these new capabilities of remotely capture the diagnostic remotely through Microsoft Intune, you can easily request for diagnostics, right? I will show you how you can request. You see here as I have shown. So you go to the troubleshooting pane, and in the app person policy, you see checked in, and in the app person policy, you can collect the diagnostics. Similar like ACE, Outlook and team, you can collect diagnostics, and these diagnostic requests are stored in the Intune app person policy, and in the next time the application automatically requests a policy update about every 30 minutes. The request to collect diagnostic will be executed on the devices when the device request is processed. So the interesting thing here is the user will see the prompt to approve the collection and upload diagnostic. Because the user is not doing manually collecting the logs, so user will see the prompts to approve the collections and upload the diagnostic on the server. So once user will approved, diagnostic are collected and uploaded immediately. If the diagnostic are requested again within 7 days, like if you want to, if Microsoft wants to request you again within 7 days, they are automatically approved without user reapproval. This is very good, because for any troubleshooting it should not take more than 7 days. But if you are requesting for logs within 7 days, there is no approval required. The user has 24 hours to open the apps and upload the diagnostic. After 24 hours, the request will expire and the new request will need to be sent. So user will get this prompt, right? Request for diagnostic, like your organization would like to collect the logs, troubleshoot issue on the apps. Click OK to approve logs collection for 7 days. Both the organization and Microsoft support will have access to these logs, and user will get this prompt. And similar like here for the app person policy, you have to click OK. This is how user will get one prompt. So your CEO will be happy, right? Or maybe even the user will be happy to see this new capability. Being as admin, we can easily request diagnostic in the troubleshooting pane, right? So when any users will open their applications, they will be prompted to upload the diagnostic, and it will be accessed through the Microsoft system. So without any further action from the users. If the support need additional diagnostic during troubleshooting for next 7 days, as I mentioned, the admin can request the diagnostic, and the prompt will not get, it will not re-prompt. Diagnostic will be collected automatically upon the next app launch. So as soon as the user launch the applications, within 7 days it will not be prompted, and they can the diagnostic logs will be captured. So I hope you learn how you can enable this, and this is actually very good. You can collect the diagnostic remotely and troubleshoot the issue. I hope you learned something new. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.